to the edge of the earth. Scream your name till the fire's gone. It's my lungs. Wanna drink till I don't feel the urge to run back to you and lay down. Make me yours.
Yeah, I've been walking 1,000 miles. The only thing on my mind is your name, giving me hope in a time where I'm hopeless, and I can't believe that you took that away. And lately conflicted, I'm addicted to these games we just play. Cause no matter how big your wardrobe, it just seems you won't change. And it's round and round and we go. You're living your life, but it's only a show. You're hitting the parties, you're hitting that drove, but it's only me that I truly know. Telling you stop, you're like leave me alone. Calling me up when I'm on my phone, saying you're drunk and got no ride home. Is this really the way we have grown? I'm just sick of all these uncertainties of where this is headed. All these back and forth emotions, I don't think that we'll get it. But when the sky is full of fire and this earth is in peril, you're the only girl I'll follow to the edge of the world.
UK shit, get me the eye of a bango shuffle in my icky. Y'all boomer, you need you an MD like Eastside said. Dominating on the east side, shout commence. Now shout commence, and I'm a cheap Joe. But they try to block me like Munoz. I know my call is worth like phone call. I get brain every day, I'ma know it all. More birds than Noah, all cool with y'all. Keep talking, but no one know none of y'all. Hit the green like running backs with no yards. No hole, acquainted with the floor. Overly loquacious, they call me say word. But they say word, just so happens mine they prefer. Yours prefer me ahead of the curve, and they all in the light like the girls all virgin. Cut me to my fucking word surgeon. Scalp and sponge, this work, dance. Yeah. All night, forever. On the way back home, now I'm in the zone. My SIM card's a bomb, they blowing on my phone. Kicks Hong Kong, bake when the garment, the face of hip hop, my DC audience. And you niggas will acknowledge this. Born again socialite, thanks climbing. My climate is way higher than
pictures of a war. Maybe I don't get it all. So here we are again, so cold. Maybe there's another way. Maybe worlds don't have to play another part. Tell me what I could have done. Looking back, I tried my best to carry on. But the feeling we once had starts to fade beneath the bed, and it's there.